How can we do image expansion with PROME AI? Well, we go to AI Tools, click on Image Expansion, and select it there. We can expand the image content based on proportion or dimensions and use the image resizer, right? We just upload an image, okay? This one, and we want to rescale it. Let's make it super small, see what happens. Blue forest and dark wall. Usually they don't let you make it this small to prevent what I'm about to do. Now let's increase the brightness, adjust the painted area's brightness, okay? Extreme values can make it look like a frame, so let's keep it normal. Autocomplete would hit the walls, right? And then I'll put it here, okay? Let's hit generate and see what happens. I might have gotten carried away, which is likely, honestly, by making the image so small. I don't want it to identify the logo. Well, I should mention I might have used the original image as a reference for the logo's face. I did a great job with the instructions. I mean, I told it I wanted 2 wolves on top of the trees and all that. Not bad, eh? I can't complain that quality is really good. True, I kind of ignored the image size requirement. But hey, that's better, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. How to create a texture lock render with PROME AI. Well, we'll start by going to the AI Tools section. We'll select Texture Lock Rendering and click Start. Then we should be able to render our image. Let's upload our image. The beauty of Texture Lock is rendering a 3D model without changing polygons or distorting the overall structure. We can add a message here if we want. Let's set the AI to define a library and other parameters. For variation, we choose how much to alter and hit Generate. We can keep using Texture Lock like this. It'll transform our 3D model into a more realistic image. It didn't let us set a style, so it'll choose automatically. Here's our first option, which looks pretty good. The second option is similar, as it should be textures change, but it looks almost lifelike. It applies textures really well, just like that. We're going to use an AI architecture generator, so let's head to PROME AI. Here we are at the architecture generator. As you can see, we have several examples of generated results. Basically, we input what we want, like a beach house. We define the scene we want, for example, a residential building. We specify the perspective, like a high angle view, and we can add negative prompts if desired. So let's generate. It'll create 3 images for us, and here we have the result. As you can see, we have this house on the beach. Perfect. Clearly, we didn't specify much. Here's another small house and another example. Again, I just asked for a beach house. I asked for it to be grey and shabby. That's it, simple as that.